61. 61. Hey guys, Derek with Divine here. We got a cool project today. Got our screen laid out. Cody just left, so we're gonna build a custom 157. Got a Martin Logan center channel Benny's drawn out, and then Pro-250s on the left and the right. We're moving the Atmos back over here, so those are the only existing wiring in the room that we're using. Those two guys up there, new subwoofer to the front corner, and projector. Got to add a new outlet, so we're gonna tap off of that outlet where the existing projector was. So I had the room set up to go this way where this window's at. That's not gonna work. Tiny little screen, blah blah blah. Now he's got a shade, block this window out. Putting in a custom rack right here in the corner, set it about 4 feet. I gotta pull all those wires all the way back over to right here, including an outlet. Alright guys, I'm moving pretty quick on this one. Benny got the overheads cut out right now, right in front of the back row seating right here. So you got your back row, my sweet spot center seat right here. Build a platform down the line. Those are right in front of me up there and right above where the front row is going to be. He's running up in the attic, so we can pull our lines back from that fish tape right there. That's where the original Smurf tube, the raceway tube, was run. So we're gonna pull those back and run back down that tube, down this wall. I got my rod here. Since I'm a boss, I got that run all the way from there through the back of the wall and out the other side. So yeah, just gonna seal that up. Got through the space that's about that big between the brick and the interior wall. So went right through there. This back hole, rod goes into that hole and pops out the other side. So let's get her done. We got pretty lucky right here. We ran into the flue, so Benny just drilled the top. He's about to drop me down the wires. He had to run all new wires for the left, center, and right. Come on, man. What happened? Oh, that was pretty. Okay, it came through the hole, Benny. Well played. We got all those wires dropped. Benny's got all his attic work done. Pop some plates over those. Paint over everything up there for the plates. The second we're gonna come back, mount the projector up here. Pull off that outlet for the projector. And as I said before, we're gonna pop off. Actually, I was going to go off that outlet, but I'm going to run the line along with all of our other lines off of this outlet, pull it over there and put it behind our rack. Keep it going. What's up? And here is our subwoofer cable. It's the last piece of the puzzle that I almost forgot about. We're gonna drop that down the same hole as the speaker wires, and we're gonna pop that subwoofer here in the front left corner. Placing the sub in the corner gives you a plus 3 dB gain. So when the sub goes in the corner, you get a lot more boom and bass in the room when you put it right there. You can tell if you're ever at home, you can take your subwoofer, move it out of the corner while it's hooked up and play like a test tone on it or something. And then move it like 5 feet out of the corner and then press it back into the corner and then feel the rest of the bass in that room. Acoustics does a lot, especially for subwoofers and room setups like this. So yeah, we're gonna corner it out right there. Keep it going. Run this power cord up. Shady's about to mount the projector.
Sound good?
Just guide it on into the hole. It's in the next slot there.
Oh, tiny ones.
All of them.
Okay, well, this one is down at the bottom. It's twisted around like 3 different wires.
Is your high voltage still there?
Yeah, I'm holding on to that one so it's getting short.
Alright, got our power right here for our outlet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 speaker wires. We got this old sub cable I'm just gonna cut, get rid of. HDMI here, Cat 5 for internet that she's working on, and Cat 5 for Central. Started putting in speakers, so the screws, and then if you had to get them out by any means. Not to mention the pop-in face plates. Nightmare. Cover over the speakers, acoustic transparent material. And then he's gonna work on the rack, hook up the receiver. Got the outlet added for the subwoofer. Tapped off of that guy. Pulled the outlet over. We got the outlet added up in the attic. And then got the outlet back there added now. Yeah, just receiver, calibration, and mounting the screen. Pretty done. Then his rack looks great. Got the Xbox going in right here next to Google Wi-Fi, Logitech Harmony, Yamaha 685 right here. She lives. Let's see if they hooked everything up right. Let's check it out. Funny bone. Benny caught the funny bone. He's got the tinglies. What's up, Peeves? We got the whole rack set up. I just got to wipe down the glass a little bit. Got some fingerprints on it. I went ahead and did him a favor and got the internet hardwired. So you got your Google Wi-Fi back here, and I hardwired it back to the rack downstairs and then hardwired all the ports in the house for him because cable company didn't do it for him. So we got that all set up. That Google's out there hardwired, and then there's another one in the family room down there. It's hooked up to the main router. All right, guys, we are 100% done here. Got your Epson 4050 projector, as you saw. Added that outlet for it. 157-inch custom curved screen. Looks beautiful. Cody's really stepped his game up on his custom curves. We got RP250s for the left and the right, and then we got the Martin Logan Electromotion in the center. Got the SPL Klipsch 120 right there. 402Ss in the back. Had to rewire everything. Move those in and up a little bit to get over that back row. Got your rack, all those wires run over. IMAX DTS Dolby Atmos 5.1.2 system. It's beautiful clean work here too. Got all your wires, all your power up under here. Everything's super clean and hidden. It looks amazing in here. So yeah, we'll see you on the next project. Like a G. Painting's fun.